what's up guys, your friend Jim here with another video. This video, it's gonna be a quick video, a little maintenance item on your Montero. I have my Montero right here. I haven't uploaded many videos lately because I really haven't done much to it in terms of repairs. I did get new tires, as you can see. These are awesome tires. I think this is the best look for the Montero in terms of tires. I wish it would stick out a little bit more. It would look a lot better. Maybe I'll add some spacers later, but again, I haven't done a lot of work to it, so that's why I haven't uploaded many videos. But today we're gonna do a little bit of a maintenance item. It's gonna be very quick, but it's gonna make a big difference on your vehicle, especially on cold startup, if you haven't done this before. So just go back to the tires here real quick. So these are the all-terrain BF Goodrich 265 75 16. So they're a little bit taller, a little bit taller tires than the originals. But I do like, they look like mud tires, but they are all-terrain. So then we're in the road, they're not very noisy, which is what I like. So anyway, let's pop the hood and let's get going with this maintenance item. All right guys, so in this video, the maintenance items that I'm talking about is to clean the throttle body around the throttle plate. And what that does, it allows better airflow through there. So when you start it up in the morning when it's cold, it'll just give you a better startup, a better idle up and everything else. So let's go ahead and proceed with that. It's a very simple process. Obviously we disconnect the mass airflow sensor. Take this off. All right guys, so I took this air tube off and everything else. There's a little bit of grease here, you can see it right there, and that's the grease that I add when I put this tube back on there, so it won't be too tight in there. But if you look inside, you can see inside here. I'll put my finger in there. Look at that, look how dirty it is in there. Okay, so we're gonna use a toothbrush and some throttle body cleaner and just clean all around here. So okay, and you want to go around the throttle plate so you can get the other edge on the other side. And you got to clean the little corners here. Just make sure everything is nice and clean. So now that we have it somewhat clean in there, now realize that you sprayed a lot of combustible fluid in there. So on initial startup, when you put everything back together, it's gonna be a little bit rough. It's gonna struggle a little bit until it burns that excess fluid out. So make sure you get the top part as well, the throttle plate. So see how it's much cleaner now. So there we go. So let's put it back together and then we will start it up. right, so now that we got everything connected, let's go ahead and start the engine, and you'll see that it's gonna struggle a little bit. But I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna start it up. It's gonna burn the excess fluid, and then I'm gonna shut it down and then restart it again. And it will, you probably won't notice obviously on the video, but if you start your Montero every day and you do this, you'll notice the difference on the next morning startup. So let's do it. I can already tell the difference. Smooth startup. It just gives you that idle up and then stabilizes. So yeah, guys, I recommend to do this on your Montero if you haven't done it. It's not something that you do every 6 months or anything. It's maybe something you do every couple years, but it makes a big difference. Also, it depends on where you drive your Montero. If you drive your Montero in an area where it's really dusty, then you have to do that more often. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, see you next time.